So JP, how are you feeling?
Pumped for the day ahead.
Hey!
Because why the hell wouldn't I be?
I'm just so excited. If you want tools, if you want things to work for you simply, Empire Blueprint, baby.
It's been a really incredible first week for me here.
How do you feel so far?
Yeah, very good. I'm more confident we've made the right decision just for our business to move forward at the minute.
Everything we built for you guys is specifically made for you.
Look, it's a lot, but feeling surprisingly good, actually. I was probably expecting a little bit worse, a little bit more intense, but JP's made it really easy. The guys are great. So yeah, it's been fantastic.
She is 100% right.
It's been really nice to have them come here to just step away from it all and really focus on building their business.
Yes, I can see it.
Shelley and Peter are leaving here feeling like they're ready to take these next steps now.
Really happy with everything though. I think it's going to be so beneficial for work, for our business.
Yeah, we've improved more in terms of preparation. I think we're a lot more organised.
It was never going to happen without Empire Blueprint.
I'm really, really excited and really happy for them and really happy for our team.
I was a bit unsure coming in as to what it was going to be, but right from that first moment, you're just made to feel welcome, you're made to feel relaxed. It was really fantastic and I'd highly recommend it.